Hey everybody, so back with another installment of the POS Sonic. So today what I'm going to be doing is making pretty much a backboard, I guess, for the liner, the removable liner that hides the donut in the back. It came with one, but when we got it, it wasn't there. As you see, a lot of the stuff got ripped off. Some was still left over, but I ripped it off. So my first step is to go ahead and clear off all these glue points using blade. With that being said, be careful when you do it. This is honestly a not too hard project to take care of, so I'll be back once I clear that. Okay. So I've got about half, or well, not quite half. I got some of it done, and I decided to ditch the razor and use a hairdryer to heat it up and a pry tool to scrape it off. It's not as clean, but you know what? This is the bottom side that's going to get glued to your wood that you choose, whatever. I chose plywood, or well, actually this isn't even plywood. Whatever. I chose this, which isn't too thick, but it's sturdy. So yeah, as far as cleanness goes, I'm not really too worried about it, because this is going to get glued to this anyways. I just don't want, like, look at that. It's pretty thick. That's been mostly scraped off. Here's pretty thick. I don't want it to be too messed up, so I'm going to try and get as much as I can off. But yeah. Hairdryer, pry tool, works pretty good at getting most of it off. So I'm gonna keep going at the rest of this and see you guys in just a second. Okay, so the next part, now that I've got the majority of it scraped off enough that when I go to put new adhesive, it's not gonna hinder it. Next part, flip it over. Because the back side of it is pretty much a straight, except for right here, I'm gonna go ahead and line that up with the edge of the wood, and then take a Sharpie and just outline it, including this little hole right here. That way you know exactly where you need to cut. As far as cutting goes, circular saw might be easier, but I don't know where the hell the battery is for mine, so I'm gonna just be using this instead. And yes, I've got two pieces of wood. That's because when I went to Lowe's to get the wood, this was one piece. I had them cut in half because half is more than enough. I mean, as you can tell, more than enough wood to take care of one. I'll probably do something else with the other half and what's left over later. But yeah, pretty much my next step, go ahead and outline, draw a little outline for there, come around, do all the outlining on there, outline the circle there, and then you go on to the cutting. So I'll see you guys in just a minute. Alright. Got the tracing done, plugged in, ready to cut. Honestly, most of this should just be easy cuts, except for this one. That one I'll probably have to use like a drill bit or something to go ahead and create a starting hole and then go from there. So yeah, on that note, see you when this is cut out. Alright, so I got the cutting done. Look how well I stuck to the lines. awesome? No, I'm not done. I just did a rough cut, because damn, that shit ricochets like a motherfucker. So what I'm gonna do, use that to go ahead and just cut further to the line and smooth it out. I already did a little bit right here, and it honestly isn't too bad. I mean, it kind of scorches it, but whatever, as long as the bitch don't burn like flames. I'll just go ahead and smooth it down, and yeah, so getting that done. Alright, so finally got it cut after like 2 hours of cutting and recutting and recutting and
alright, so you'll notice that there is no hole in the board.
And
that's because in my adjustments I had to just cut that whole piece off to make it fit.
This, which I have completely and thoroughly destroyed the wheel, or the blade, grinder, whatever, using all those, when really should have just used that. But again, I don't know where the hell the battery went for it, so hell, I even attempted that for about 2 seconds and was like, fuck that. Anyways, got it in there. It's not perfect fit, but it's good. And this slides in there, and there we go. The whole reason why I did this is because this part would fall under the lip right there, and then be a pain in the ass to get back out. So, only thing left to do is honestly decide if I want to glue it or just leave it like that. I might just leave it like that. So with that being said, I'm wrapping this one up. Like, comment, dislike, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.